I have a multimeter here, and we are going to measure resistance on a wire. If you're not familiar with multimeters, we will go ahead and we will put it into the ohm or resistance setting. Resistance is measured in ohm. You'll see the ohm here, and you will see that I have the connections hooked up here to my wire. I would like to show you what happens to the value of the resistance or what happens to resistance if I cut the wire. You see how it jumps up, folks? See how it jumps up to mega ohm or infinite ohm? It's overloaded the circuit. That will show you a cut in a wire. So you're looking at a cut wire in a circuit. You're looking at a faulty component. You're looking at a defective switch. It could be a thermostat that you're measuring. It could be an element inside of a stove. All of these have resistance, and what we do is we measure for the resistance. Now I'll go ahead and just show you. See it? Now I can also put this in it. This will beep mode. So when I have resistance, you see it? It beeps. It shows me there's no cut in the circuit. When I remove my lead, it goes to overload. See it?